that. Alright, do that. Alright. But, okay. I mean, I don't even think Greg has his video out yet. If he does, it'll just be a couple minutes out. Oh, I wonder what time period that is. I like how it gives me a timestamp, but only when it's like way before. Bank of America, $100 crude is coming. Fed inflation state. Okay, awesome. All right. Hopefully that means stupid idiot ExxonMobil will skyrocket or something.
Still Friday, June 4th.
Okay. Oh, I guess I should. Oh, they still haven't left yet. Because they're like a couple days old, so... Huh. Hey, Waza. Also, I guess later, Waza. I'm not late. I was just waiting on Greg because his video was taking forever to show up. And I was watching Forsen also play the new Ghost and Goblins thing. But yeah. But the good news is they unbanned Nick from Twitter as quickly as they banned him for no reason. So, yeah, it's just, I don't know. I try not to look at some of this stuff because I'm just getting really pissed off, right? Fucking Matt Walsh. I mean, even if it's just a stupid publicity stunt to troll AOC. Fucking, you know, yeah, like Nick says, conservatives are literally fundraising for AOC's, like, Abuela, which I think means grandmother, for a publicity stunt before they'll even help the Capitol defendants. Like, this... You know, this fucking country is a joke, and it's run by fucking traitors. You know, so... I don't know. To be honest, I'm actually thinking, like, liberals are gonna get, like, 30 years in prison, and then the fucking fake conservatives, like Matt Walsh and them, we're just gonna put them in jail for, like, life. You know, it's a penalty for fucking treason. Facebook announces Trump will be suspended for 2 years. Well, I guess Facebook doesn't mind paying the $250K. Actually, I'm kind of curious. Are they thinking they can get? Is that like a workaround? Because technically that would mean Trump is still banned. So, oh well. Let me see. Oh yeah, then Laura Loomer actually, I didn't actually get a good audio clip of it because I know that's Laura Loomer though.
Censorship is a human rights violation. If you are censoring people, you are interfering in elections like
platform her. Oh, why don't we just go right to that? I was going to talk about it later.
Censorship.
That's Laura Loomer, but I was trying to figure out what the crowd was saying. Were they booing her? I think they were booing her. Manuel is a, I can't read that, race traitor. Yeah, I don't know, man. There's just something weird about Matt Walsh. I don't know what the hell is his deal, but yeah, he's definitely not somebody that we can trust at all, ever. Let me see. Bitcoin, Miami. I'm just curious to see if the news outlets picked it up. Not really. No, not really. Not really. All right, let's move along quickly because I did finish filing the section in Unreal, and now I'm up to actually like what seems to be the fun part, where I program a tank, and then like we just blow up the turrets, and it's got like a cartoony effects and stuff. So very excited for that. All right, so bonds got bought up like crazy, so that's good. Because I know the markets did relatively well, except crypto, because of fucking asshole Elon Musk. Like I definitely unfollowed Elon and Tesla, SpaceX, because that guy's starting to really fucking piss me off. All right, so yes, the markets did really well. Man, I really wish I just bought spider indexes, man. The fucking S&P is just going up. Crude oil did pretty well. Precious metals also did pretty decent, especially silver, 10-year yield, okay. Yeah, of course, Bitcoin's hovering around 37K. Now, it is the weekend, Friday going into the weekend, so it always goes down. Always goes down. And the good news is, at least the Elon tweet didn't seem to cause that much damage, but it definitely stopped the upward momentum. Blah blah blah. So Bank America, good. No, actually, it's flat to the upside. Exxon. Oh, where's Exxon Mobil? Yeah, up a little bit. Yeah. All right. Well, whatever. Obviously, I wish it would go up more. And then there's QD. How much? Because this is the thing that based Hollander. See, the problem is every single piece of advice he's ever given me has always made me lose money. And of course, this is the one that actually makes money. Yeah, it's like $500 million. Yeah, but whatever it is, there's plenty of ways to make money. So, I mean, I just want to get out of the stupid fucking stock market and just simply trade exclusively straddles and on Riot. He's sussy back Baca, yeah. Elon Musk. Yeah, that's what Cryptos R Us calls him, right? Elon Musk, asshole Musk. I don't know. I just prefer the good old try and true F word, you know, which I can't say because the rules own everything for now. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I really do hope my second game around will do better than this one. And I definitely am going to try to deliberately try to, like, lower the graphics so that when people look at it, their expectations are automatically set below AAA. So that should help. Dog hit Coinbase today. I thought that was yesterday, but yeah, Dogecoin was already selling off before today's announcement, so everything was already priced in. Elon is evil, any utility head is gone. I don't know if he's evil, but there's clearly something fucking wrong with him, so I'm just not dealing with it anymore. Unless he returns the gun. Yeah, I guess. Alright, ow. Damn it, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Alright. $100, okay, so let's see what this is.
2021, well, what'd you think? What do you think about this market that literally seems unstoppable? And it frankly is unstoppable. No amount of bad economic news, well, bad economic news is propelling the stock market higher. And it's still astonishing to me to watch. I mean, today we got a tremendous miss with regard to this jobs report that everyone was waiting for. And once again, the economists polled. We're all wrong. They were wrong again. Amazing. Astonishing to me. So yes, a nice rally today on Wall Street. The Dow and the S&P 500 are fractionally off of their all-time highs. And we will be getting new record highs in this market. There is just no doubt about it. Just be ready for it. Again, it's the same mechanism that will not stop. And I have a few things to talk about with you, which we'll cover in a moment. So again, rally on Wall Street today. 10-year yield stable. The dollar lower, pretty much gave back most of its gains from yesterday. I don't know what's with the dollar or what happened to the dollar yesterday. I even said that.
I don't have the money for that, yeah. Well, apparently, according to Cryptos R Us, Cathie Wood is like a big supporter of Tesla, and then she was like kind of pissed at Elon for screwing up crypto. So, I don't know, there's something going on there. But for the most part, I think eventually people will just move on from stupid idiot Elon and then just disregard him, which would be the ideal situation. And then, well, hopefully we can go back to, hitting all-time new highs. Because the stock markets are getting ready to go to all-time highs. So that means crypto is like way behind. So,
in the video that I had done, maybe the dollar had that knee-jerk higher when members of Congress came out saying, hey, we need a digital dollar. Federal Reserve, please issue your digital dollar so we can compete with China. Can't make that up, but it's actually true. I think that was probably the reason why the dollar got a knee-jerk higher yesterday. Like I said, we gave most of that back today. All right, crude oil right now, a shade under $70 a barrel. And we got some news on that, which we'll talk about in a moment here. Gold and silver today did well. They did very well after yesterday's sell-off. Again, look, when you see sell-offs with regard to gold and silver, realize what we are talking about. We're not talking about physical metals changing hands. No, zero. It is paper, derivatives. They're not real. They don't exist. They're not on the elemental chart. Okay, that's what we're talking about. You know, the reason why I'm bringing this up again is because today it just never fails. When the price of gold and silver drops, I get all these people freaking out, and they write to me about it. Oh, Greg, you said it was going to go up, and I bought it, it went down. Did I say, really, that it was going to go straight up? You know how I operate. I do not trade these things. You want to trade the paper derivatives? Go ahead. Do it to your heart's content. Maybe you'll be happy, but you'll probably lose money. Okay, I don't trade the paper derivatives because they're fake. There's no price discovery here at all. But to me, like I always say, people, when you see that, when you see gold and silver get hit, smile, because again, it presents opportunity in this environment. Something else I want to talk about too in just a little bit. Cryptocurrencies today under pressure yet again with this whole thing, and it's everywhere. The breakup between Elon Musk and Bitcoin, you know, they're no longer lovers, whatever it is. And you know, I cannot believe that this space, the crypto space, seems to react to, I don't know, every whim, every thing that comes out of this man's mouth. But okay, if that's the way it's going to be, it's going to be that way. It's just too stupid to me. But anyway, that's what else would you expect? It's a part of the freak show. You know that. All right. So with that said, okay, we set the stage. Market higher despite, again, abysmal economic news that doesn't stop. Every day we get worse economic news, and pretty much every day the stock market goes higher. It's crazy. We got crude oil near $70 a barrel. You got a stable 10-year yield, a dollar taking a hit, a Federal Reserve buying it all. Well, what else would you expect? Now, I want to...
Oh, hey. I can't really see the text is too small. If I was thinking about it, then decided not to buy dog right now. Yeah, I mean, the cheaper it gets, the safer it is to buy it, right? Because I bought Shiba. Oh, I completely forgot to go over crypto prices, but I just don't care right now because I just know that it's flat or doing okay. Actually, yeah, I better refresh this. Is this correct? Yeah. Actually, I bought it at like 35 cents, so even with all the stupid Elon FUD and stupidity, it's still actually up, at least for me. Yeah, everything's actually doing okay given the circumstance. Cardano is like that. So there's Litecoin down, VeChain. It was on its way to 14, 15 cents before fucking asshole Elon. And then Filecoin's actually doing really well. So I'm very happy with that. Because ideally I would want to sell my 20 Filecoins when Bitcoin's at like 125 grand. Yeah, Shiba's still doing okay. It's actually still up there, and it's worth more than PancakeSwap, which is hilarious. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess it really depends. Like, because usually we could expect things to go up. Because I was right this week that crypto was going to do well, and it did. And then fucking Elon Musk. Like, I'm actually starting to get just so annoyed. It's like, why do the markets react to a stupid FUD like this? It's so irritating. This is Groipster. Change the name on all my accounts. Oh, okay. Well, hey, Bean. Funny enough, you're actually talking from YouTube. Funny enough, I don't think Groiper is banned on YouTube, I think. I'm not really sure. I send you a link on Gab for this coin. Look at let's see, this is going to open up in Chrome. Perth Mint Gold 1904. It's ranked 1512. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to touch this at all. It's an ERC20 token, and each unit represents 1 fine troy ounce of actual gold. Okay. So it's actually worth the price of gold. Well, I don't know why. I mean, I guess if you're too lazy to buy actual gold, you could just buy this. So as long as they have some kind of verification that they actually hold it. But if that's the thing, I don't care about gold. I'd be more interested in like a tokenized version of silver. That I would. I don't know what Telcoin is, but if it's generally if it's not on the top 100 of coin market cap, I don't care about it. You know, I only want like the safe stuff.
Covers a few things with you here.
Already getting birds
Let's
everywhere
go
else.
back, okay, to crude oil, because Bank of America today is coming out with a projection, a price projection on crude. Take a guess. What do you think it is in the relatively short term? Oh, close. $100. So
Wow, I would love that.
they have a price target here of $100 on crude. Sounds reasonable to me. It could be much higher than that. I mean, the trajectory is higher, much higher. And if crude continues its run, if Bank of America is correct here, and crude hits $100, do you know what that's going to do to the stock market? How about all-time high, all-time high, all-time high? It's going to boost the energy sector. It's going to boost the financial sector. Now, how many of you over the past 2 days have heard me explain to you that the place to be right now is in energy stocks or the energy sector and banks? Period, the end. And you want to find, you don't know which ones to buy or trade. I could not possibly make this easier for you. Right on my website, traderschoice.net. Right down here. Click on the link and go check out my stock screener. You will not find a better stock screener anywhere, even if you have to pay for it. And this one's free. Just go over there, scroll through it, find energy stocks.
Oh, I was too busy seeing what they had for lunch. Pax Gold looks interesting. Invest in shekels. Well, I don't know. America First stock is on the rise though, so I don't know. It might be a good idea to start shorting on the shekels. Polymac is probably pretty good. I already feel it's, to me personally, I feel it's already too late. But I'm already buying like other coins. But Polymac is probably pretty decent too. I mean, because it sucks to have missed out when it was like 50 cents or $1, and then shot up straight to $2. So, ooh, I do want to see that because they always
Energy
open their
companies,
mouths.
bank stocks, there that say buy. It says buy, sell. If it says buy, you buy. You understand? I'm really working hard to make this whole thing work for you people. So that's Bank of America, $100. Now let's talk about inflation, all right? Because it's everywhere. All of the mainstream media outlets are talking about it. Now this was an interesting take from Bloomberg, okay? And I want to read this to you. This is a quote. Bloomberg, Federal Reserve's inflation logic is flawed and dangerous. I believe they are spot on, and I am sure you do too. Again, they are in some kind of la-la land, I think, seriously. But look, we understand what they want to do. Their goal here is to inflate on an epic scale, way beyond what they're doing right now. Henceforth, why they're running their inflation creation machine at top speed. It can't possibly be running faster than it is right now. They're buying it all. They are officially the lender and buyer of last resort. They're doing everything they can to create inflation by design. Again, what's the end result here? We already are in a currency crisis. Henceforth, why we're seeing all this inflation, why you're hearing about it everywhere. But this currency crisis is going to get much worse, and it's not by accident. $100 oil, absolutely. Again, the weaker the dollar gets, the more dollars it's going to take to buy anything, even barrels of oil or shares of stock or houses or cars or anything else. So absolutely, the dollar is a dying asset, people. You all know that. This is why I'm saying to you, forget about price fluctuations with regard to gold and silver. Every time they hit it, smile and get more, in my opinion. Same thing for crypto. I don't care what comes out of the mouth of the new creature here, Mr. Musk himself here. I think he fried his brain a little bit.
He's starting to get pretty involved at Elon too.
I'm sure he's toasting some brain cells as we speak. But anyway, just ignore the guy. Okay, he builds a nice car. There's no doubt about it. A bunch of my neighbors have them. And I've thought about buying one myself. But that's a whole other story. Now, let's talk about this. This is CNBC talking about the jobs number today. Now, this is a quote from CNBC. In light of today's jobs miss, the Federal Reserve will continue its current policy. Now, I need to take a deep breath here for a moment, okay? Because this is going to require a really perfect Ready? I feel it building up. I feel the tension here. It's growing up. I can't take it. I really can't. I can't take it. Period. The end. What else can I say to you people that you already don't know? All right, look, I got to end this video now because I really might have a meltdown. Now, it's Friday. All right, so that means, tomorrow you're going to see the Crypto Kid. I am certain he's going to have a lot to say. We were talking earlier today. He's a good guy, Let's show him some love. And you will see me again. At least I think so. On Sunday for my markets, a look ahead.
Boy, he looks like he's been in a rough mess.
It's just going to be lovely because, look, you and I are living in a freak show.
Raining.
It's a shit show. It's a slinging shit show. It really is. It's outrageous. It really is. All right, look, this guy here, and I mean this, people. I love all of you from the heart. I hope you love me back. If you don't, I'm going to cry. Anyway, no, seriously. We're all in this together, and that's the truth. We're going to get through this together like we're sailing through it. Through the fog of shit. Whatever it is. It's some kind of a thing. I don't know what it is, but it's there. And it's pretty incredible. All right, people, that's it. I'll see all of you Sunday for my markets to look ahead. Please.
Okay. I wish I had more constructive things to say, but there's just not much happening today. And it's just Friday. I guess no news is good news, but again, effing Elon and fucking crypto markets. It's just getting very annoying. But it should now. Unless something major happens or another black swan event, I think crypto should still continue to do pretty well going to next week. And this time we'll have a full 5-day work week. Because I don't think there's any holidays next week, right? So, we should be able to have maximum momentum this time around. So, because again, despite Elon FUD, the crypto markets did okay, right? It didn't drop that much. Because remember before when it would drop like 20%, like Bitcoin went from like, what was it, 40 grand, 42 grand, all the way down to 30K. Now that was not entirely Elon's fault. That's technically just like over attributing everything to just Elon. But it definitely did not help, so. So as the market just starts pricing in Elon being an asshole, hopefully, it'll get better from here. Drake Bell from Drake and Josh just got charged with inappropriate. Oh boy. Drake Bell, is that like the Drake, the guy that played with Ninja for Fortnite and it was like a big thing, like that Drake? I don't think I should be clicking that because I don't want those words to get into YouTube. So I'll take your word for it. You know, in fact, I could probably just Drake charged. Let's just see if this comes out. Well, this one says endangering a kid. So let's see. No, the Drake I'm thinking of, I think he's black, right? Drake plays with Ninja. Yeah, see, this is the Drake that I'm thinking of. That guy looks black. This guy looks completely different. It's a different kind of Drake. No, that's the rapper. Yeah, see, I don't even know who these people are. Drake Bell of Drake and Josh. I don't know who Drake and Josh is. But yeah, I mean, he probably is guilty, but I mean, the system's rigged, so they'll probably let him go. Well, let's do, I guess we'll go variety, actually. Hit Nickelodeon series has been charged with blank. Can't read that out. Cleveland cops arrested him, who is 34, and he has pleaded not guilty. Okay, and he is free on $2,500 bail. Okay, that is DI. Okay. Bell's mugshot. That's funny. Oh, well, that's it. Okay, well, let's take a look at the where are the comments? Are these guys have gone G-word too? And oh, great, no effing comments. And of course, there's a lot of Coomer stuff on top, which I don't like. It's already bad enough because I'm already sure it's like what Roosh used to complain about. I had to get away from everybody. That's why I moved to like the middle of nowhere mountains, and then I wouldn't be tempted all the time. Yeah, that's not an easy thing to overcome. All right, that's enough. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just try to relax more, do some stuff. Because they changed Hearthstone, so now they just randomize all of like the, I don't know, I guess races. And I was really good with just playing the Quill War. So now it's not fun because now I just can't do what I want, and then now I have to actually think. And everything's random too, so that makes it even worse. So I don't have access to that. So yeah, so I'm definitely realizing why randomization is super effing I wish we had free speech and G-word and all that stuff. So yeah. So anyway, I'll probably see everyone after the markets close on Monday, unless of course something big happens. And I don't know. There's just not much to do. I mean, Hotbit's doing pretty well. Interest rates remain pretty good. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't have to do that. And I don't know. We'll just try to relax for this weekend, and then next week, let's see how much money we make. Unless, of course, something stupid happens again. But I don't know. I mean, just about everything bad that can happen has already happened. So yeah, I think next week will be pretty good, probably. All right. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the weekend, and see you all on Monday. Thanks.